So, if you were to start learning Android development today, what should you use? You have two choices, either Java or Kotlin. Java is an industry battle-tested language. Lots of existing helpers and libraries out there, and most big companies use Java. It's JVM based, it's super fast, and there's a joke that there are more devices running Java in the world today than anything else. So it's a really good language if you are already familiar with C-based language like C++ or JavaScript. And it's a good idea to use it to quickly start developing things. Now here's a LearnX in Y Minutes website for Java, and you can quickly scroll through the page if you are an experienced programmer to figure out how certain things are done in Java. Now how does this compare to Kotlin? And what is Kotlin? Kotlin is a new language. Well, not really new. It already existed for a few years, but recently it's been picked up as first-class language for Android development by Google, going all in on Kotlin language, similar to how Apple is going all in on Swift. I think in a few years that everybody will probably be writing Kotlin code when they start making new projects in Android. So here's a page for Kotlin, and it's actually really easy language, and it has amazing language features. But it's here's the good parts. It has a quick learning curve and can be picked up really fast by experienced programmers. And it's the if you go to the Google Colabs page where you can find tutorials on Android development, you will see that most of these tutorials here are geared towards Kotlin language. So if you want like the most resources available that are up to date, you know this is the best language to start with. So if you search for Android development or just Android, and you can see that like even for TensorFlow, it'll pretty much like all of this language that's being used for these examples are going to be in Kotlin. Now the language is fully backwards compatible with Java. This means you can write Kotlin code along with Java because they will all be compiled down into native JVM code. And Android Studio provides an extension to help you translate your Java code into Kotlin. So what is the decision here? Since I'm learning Android today and I'm new, I am going to start with Kotlin. Now, if you have an existing Android project and you want to convert to Kotlin, and you want to like get things, if you want to use Kotlin, there is a recommendation that if you have small to mid-sized existing Android app, it's worth it to convert everything to Kotlin. But if you have a big app with lots of legacy and custom things, you should stay with Java and slowly convert small parts to Kotlin if you have a large team of resources. So for my journey, I'm going to use Kotlin. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching my video and your continued support for PentaCode. Visit the PentaCode website for more web dev articles, news, and tips and tricks. And be sure to subscribe to our social media channels to get updates regularly. I'll see you in the next video.